Wichita Falls, Texas, Contractor Code Compliance Bond. What is a Contractor Code Compliance Bond? A Contractor Code Compliance Bond is a type of surety bond that serves as a financial guarantee between the contractor, the city of Wichita Falls, and the bond issuer, which is typically an insurance or bonding company. Essentially, it assures the city that the contractor will comply with all applicable codes, regulations, and ordinances throughout the duration of their construction project. Why is it required? The primary purpose of the Contractor Code Compliance Bond is to protect the city and its residents. By requiring contractors to obtain this bond, the city ensures that projects are completed safely, adhering to building codes and standards. If a contractor fails to meet these requirements, the bond provides financial recourse for the city to rectify any issues or deficiencies. So, who needs it? Any contractor undertaking construction projects within Wichita Falls that require a building permit is required to obtain a Contractor Code Compliance Bond. This includes residential, commercial, and public works projects. Whether it's building a new home, renovating a commercial property, or constructing a public facility, contractors must have this bond in place before commencing work. Now, let's talk about the cost of the bond. The cost of a Contractor Code Compliance Bond varies depending on several factors, including the contractor's creditworthiness, the bond amount required, which is $100,000 in this case, and the bonding company's underwriting criteria. Contractors with strong financial credentials and a history of compliance may qualify for lower premiums, while those deemed higher risk may face higher costs.